So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Claudia Walks here. And today I'm coming live from a new town. I'm in Kajiado County and I'm being accompanied by John Wambua TV. So you can see we are driving. Yes. We are
on a rough road.
On a rough road. Actually, this is the rough road. You can see. Now we are heading to the main town. So just want to go and explore the town to see what normally happens there. It's on a weekend actually, so we expect to meet a lot of people, you know. So stay here, don't go anywhere. And if you're watching this video for the first time, or it's your first time coming across this channel, make sure you subscribe. Also subscribe to John Wambua TV. He has an amazing content. Yeah, I'll put the link down below. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh. Weekend vibes. Those are weekend vibes, eh? So John Wambua TV.
Yes.
Can you tell my fans something? You know, it's been a while since you appeared on my YouTube channel.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Right now I'm busy driving a manual car. That's why I'm focused on the road. It's a rough road and there are kids playing around. So that's why I'm focused. But all I can say is that thank you. We are so grateful for the support, the love that you've shown to our Jamaican girl, Claudia Walks. And keep on watching her videos. Keep on supporting her. We always say that love is free.
Yeah.
Spread it like bushfire. Yes.
So guys, I hope you are enjoying this video so far. Stay here until we get to the main town. The main town, yeah, it's not far. So John Wambua TV, you have called me the Jamaican girl.
The Jamaican girl.
The Jamaican girl.
Yes.
Okay, that's my title, like for now. From my Jamaican fans. Now, someone commented on my video saying that Jamaica is the promised land. Why?
I thought you're supposed to be the one telling me about the promised land. But all I know is that Jamaica is one of the best islands that I've ever. Although we see on TV, we watch on YouTube, but so far it is one of the most beautiful islands that I know. So if they call it what?
Promised land.
The promised land. You're talking about Canaan. I would say it's sort of a Canaan, depending on how people see it.
Because a lot of people are going there.
Yes, almost everyone is going there.
Yeah.
Most everyone is going there. It's a beautiful place.
Are you planning to visit?
Yes, I will definitely.
Okay.
I will in due time. Yes.
Okay. Now tell my Jamaican fans something.
Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support you've shown to Claudia. And keep up the good job. Keep up the good heart. You guys have a clean heart and genuine. You're genuine in your love, in your support. Yeah. So keep on loving our girl. Respect.
I think I should get a Jamaican man.
You wanna get a Jamaican man?
I don't know. Someone said that.
It will depend. A man, every man is a man until you get to know them well. So if you get to know if you feel like you deserve a Jamaican man, no, make sure that he also deserves you. Yeah, just don't go for any Jamaican man, but get a man who, if you need a Jamaican man, get a man who deserves you.
Who is a man?
Yes, a man who is a man.
Yeah. So guys, still on the road.
Yeah, still on the rough road.
Yep.
See the town from a distance now.
Yeah, but the car in front of us is blocking us. Yeah.
I'll show you how.
You can see from far, that is Kitela town, located in Kajiado County. So, yo, I'm enjoying the drive. Though the roads are a bit rough, but we are used to. Tell me now in the comments, do you have rough roads in your country, all from where you are watching me from?
The car ahead of us is a bit slow. I call them, I call the people of my car.
My car?
Yes, you know, mine is an old school, so it's used to this rough road.
But I think the old schools are better than the current ones, eh?
Especially when it rains.
Yeah.
I find myself in a better position than anyone who is having these cars with sensors and all that. But it's hard for me to get stuck. And I prefer using this car.
So amazing, so amazing. Heading to Kitela town. The sun is too hot actually, and it's around 4 p.m.
It's still hot. What happened to the cold weather? But it's cold at night and
In the morning hours, it's very cold, and
at night.
yeah,
But during the day.
during the day from let's say 2 p.m. it's a bit
It's hot. It's not quite hot.
hot, yeah,
Now these guys decided
to block the road.
Alright. We work with what we have.
Yeah. But this place has got it's a bit more populated.
It is populated now from this area, but you know, my area is not populated, but here it's populated. From
Oh,
here to
guys, I forgot to tell you, we are from the park actually. John Wambua TV lives around the park.
That's why we are using the rough road.
Yes, so I had to go and pick him so that he can take me around. You know, I don't know this place well. Actually, is it my second all that time being here?
I think that time in Kitela.
Yup.
Now here we go. Done with the rough road now.
Finally. Guys, don't go anywhere until we get to the shopping. Why am I calling it shopping center? It is a big town. Actually, Kitengela is one of the fastest growing towns here in Kenya. Yeah, guys, I will take you around. So don't go anywhere. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Also subscribe to John Wambua TV.
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, it's like we are climbing an hill, right? You can see the town from up there. Almost there, guys. Almost there.
Now this is called Miriam's Road.
Miriam's Road, eh?
Yes.
And it's a busy road, eh?
Very busy road.
And I just noticed that the mode of transport here is like motorbikes.
Yeah, motorbikes.
There are so many.
Motorbikes and personal cars, because like from where you come from, there is no public means of transport.
The matatus, the buses.
So it's either you use your car or get on a bike, ride on a bike.
Finally, we are here.
Yes, welcome to Kitengela.
Welcome to Kitengela, located in Kajiado County. Actually, I'm from Nairobi County. Today I decided,
You decided what?
I decided to visit this developing town. Hey, so populated.
Much traffic. Much traffic. You guys don't want to keep going. But it's okay, play like so.
I know some people don't adhere to the rules of road. All to the
Yes, to the rules.
rules. Finally, guys, we are in Kitela town.
No, the funniest thing is that Kitela today on Sundays when they have the market day.
The market day.
So this place is very populated right now.
But I would love to explore there and see if I can also do some shopping. Yeah, a bit of. I don't know what kind of shopping I'm gonna do, but anyway, let's go and see.
Yes. Let's give this guy way.
So we can park around.
We're parking some bullshit.
Guys, we're trying to get a place where we can park our car. Our car, my God!
Yes, we're using it. So it's
our car,
Now that
my
we're using it,
God!
it's our car.
Yeah, so.
My parking is taken.
Oh, your parking is taken. So let's.
Naona kuna mabikes. Cheki. Kuna bikes hapo. Ni nini wewe?
Hao ni walevi.
Siendeshe wale ulevi zao. Ndio naona kuna bikes. Wacha nione mbele. We have a parking here.
So you have to go. You have to reverse. To reverse. Oh. Yes, we want to park somewhere there where you can see that. Yeah, where you can see that black car.
There we go.
Here we go. So guys, so let's go and explore the town. See you later.
All right.